Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync photos or videos with beats in Capcut. So first you need to of course add the videos and also photos into Capcut like this. And after that, don't forget to prepare the music, the audio. So click on the add audio and select your music. So I'm going to just pick a random one. For example, here I'm going to use this one. So download the audio first and click on the plus icon. I'm going to just split the audio so that it delete the rest of the audio. So now let's mark the beats first. So click on the audio and go to the beats, and here just use the auto generate on CapCut. So it will show you, it will automatically mark the beats of the music that you add. You can just select the intensity from light into intense. So let's use this. I'm going to just use this second one, light. Click on the check icon. Now to sync the videos and photos with the beats, you just need to trim each of photo or videos with the yellow mark in here. So let's click on the video and do it like this, so it aligned with the yellow dot. And also the second one, you can also split if you don't want to trim. Just when you just drag it like this. Now let's for the second one, the third one. Okay, just delete this and just do this until the videos or photo is fully marked with the yellow dot. So that's it, and this will be the result. So when you play it, it will sing with the beats. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.